Hey, everyone! If you've ever lived in a tiny apartment, spent a weekend in an RV, or just found yourself staring at a pile of damp laundry with no way to dry it, then you know the struggle. But what if you could have a high-efficiency drying machine that fits in a closet and sets up in seconds? That's exactly where a portable clothes dryer comes in to save the day. This compact powerhouse is a total game-changer for anyone living in small spaces. It uses a high-powered heating element and a built-in fan to circulate warm air through a specialized drying bag, getting your clothes fresh and dry much faster than air drying. Whether it's your favorite pair of jeans, a work shirt, or delicate baby clothes, this machine handles it all with an adjustable timer, so you can set it and walk away. Plus, it's incredibly quiet, meaning you can run it while you sleep or work without that annoying laundry room rattle. The best part? It's designed for a hassle-free setup. There's no need for complicated venting or permanent hookups. Just plug it into a standard outlet, hang it up, and you're ready to go. When you're done, it folds down to a fraction of its size, making it easy to tuck under a bed or pack in your suitcase for your next trip. It's affordable, energy efficient, and finally gives you the freedom to do laundry on your own terms, no matter where you are. Click the link below for the best price, and never worry about damp clothes again.